Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media, and in this video, I want to answer the question, what's content marketing? Content marketing is a technique for promoting your business by posting materials online that instead of directly selling to your audience, pique their interest in order to drive them into your more aggressive sales channels. Content marketing can involve a lot of different sales channels, including your website, e-newsletter, social media pages, YouTube channel, and even guest blogs and podcasts. Depending on your goals and objectives, content marketing can be very simple, relying primarily on written content. Or for more aggressive goals, it can utilize more elaborate content, like professional video or a ton of photography. While the specific application comes down to your business in particular, in general, content marketing can be a great way to establish your brand, reach a wider audience, and nurture your existing leads. If you're interested in learning more and establishing how content marketing can help you build your brand, I encourage you to book a free strategy session with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forward with confidence and clarity. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy session. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.